Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey into the cosmos as we explore NASA's groundbreaking Dragonfly mission set to launch in 2028. Imagine a drone flying through the thick, hazy atmosphere of an alien moon. Picture it navigating through dense clouds, capturing breathtaking views of an otherworldly landscape. That's exactly what Dragonfly will do. This state-of-the-art rotorcraft is designed to soar through the skies of Titan, Saturn's largest moon. This innovative rotorcraft will embark on a groundbreaking mission to explore Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and uncover its many secrets. Titan is one of the most fascinating bodies in our solar system. Its mysterious surface and intriguing atmosphere have captivated scientists for years. Titan is unique. It's the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and methane, creating a thick, hazy environment. It also boasts surface lakes of liquid methane, a feature that sets it apart from any other moon or planet we know. This mission will allow scientists to investigate its chemical processes, understand its geology, and study its climate. Dragonfly will search for signs of life, probing the moon's surface and atmosphere for clues that could answer one of humanity's biggest questions. What makes Titan so intriguing? This distant moon of Saturn has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. For starters, it has a thick atmosphere composed mostly of nitrogen, which is quite rare for a moon. This dense atmosphere creates a unique environment with organic compounds that could hold clues to the origins of life. These compounds are of great interest to astrobiologists who are eager to understand the building blocks of life. Dragonfly will explore different locations on Titan, studying its geology and climate, and providing us with unprecedented data on this mysterious moon. It will also be analyzing the prebiotic chemistry that might exist there, potentially offering insights into how life could arise in such an environment. Just like how the Mars rovers have changed our understanding of the red planet, by revealing its past water activity and potential for life, Dragonfly could revolutionize our knowledge of this moon. Its findings might even help us understand more about our own planet and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, Dragonfly will be able to fly to multiple sites across Titan's surface, conducting scientific experiments in real time. This is a significant leap forward in space exploration, combining flight and surface analysis in one mission. From analyzing the atmospheric composition to capturing stunning images of Titan's unique landscapes, this mission is a true marvel of engineering and science. So what do you think? Are you as excited as we are about the potential discoveries that await us on Titan? Imagine the groundbreaking science and the new frontiers we will explore. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes, holds so many secrets that are just waiting to be uncovered. The possibilities are endless, and the excitement is palpable. This mission is set to launch in just a few years, and we'll be here to keep you updated on every development. From the initial launch to the moment Dragonfly touches down on Titan's surface, we will bring you all the latest news and insights. Stay tuned as we follow the journey of this incredible spacecraft and the team behind it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Dragonfly mission. We love hearing from you, and your support helps us bring more exciting content. What are you most looking forward to with this mission? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing space content. We have so much more to share about the wonders of our universe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.